study and assessment of the status between computer and what the effect can be become. And last is the finding the capable of future plan and I really agree. Okay, next. So you better next. So examination just now the conclusion factor is unlike other computer which there is little in the environment. After concentration is the organic environment can accumulate untoxic to toxic level. So we don't know that now in our body, what's the level of the factors in the body? We don't know. Think safe or not safe. Okay? And then of course the water that we drink every day. Are you sure that we drink clean water? We don't say that, oh, that water is clean. So we say that, this water is clean. But maybe there is a lot of factors, especially like the mineral water. So there is calcium, magnesium,
Municipal, no?
helium
St.
inside the water.
Flores.
You know that is better, but what you thinking?
Di ba,
Okay?
final?
Because better we divide into two.
Nilahi
There's the
naman ang
essential and
naong ni
non-essential
Flores.
better. Essential better is that you think the factors of our body. Non-essential like mercury, cadmium, you don't need it. Okay? Next. So, as I mentioned, the water that we use every day, is it clean or not? We have to measure how we can know it clean or not. Next. So, this is the method that we can divide into several groups.
Uy,
So,
very
mostly
high.
scientists will focus on the high pollution and very high pollution methods. Okay? Like arsenic, FeO, chromium, copper, zinc, mercury. Okay? So you see, zinc is an essential metal, but of course we study it. Because now when we determine the zinc level of reserve of the sediment from the water, actually what we need actually is above the background value. When it above the background value, we can say that this area is polluted with zinc. Okay? But of course we have to go for further study, more samples of proof. Okay, next. So it's a serious pollutant in our natural environment due to their toxicity, persistent, and also biodegradation problem.
Hindi mo
In
button.
that this metal cannot be destroyed. Okay? Once they enter the food chain, okay, the more easy one is uptake by the phytoplankton and then transfer to two
Uy,
plankton.
very serious
Lastly, they will
daw.
transfer to human. This is one cycle. Okay? Methods reporting income can be natural recovery sources, income of anthropogenic, income of natural sources. Okay. Currently, anthropogenic input of metal exceeds the threshold. Why we can say this no conclusion? It's finding because first we need to compare with the background value, the standard. Okay. So above the standard, we can say that anthropogenic already occurred in that area. Next. So, we as organism, we require large amount of some metal, including cobalt, copper, iron, and manganese and zinc. And when we are sick, we go to see doctor. Doctor will give us some medicine. So some of the medicine actually contain metals, okay, that we need in our body. So when we are sick, because of lack of the element or mineral in the body, we lack of that element. So we need to eat that element to get better. Okay? However, excessive level of excessive level can be detrimental to the result. The excessive level like tea, copper.
Awato
We
na
know
po
that
na
they
ni
make
Sir
our body
Oliver
stronger,
ron.
but if the higher level, they
Awato
may
na po ng Sir
affect
Oliver
the
bang.
result.
Sample.
So
Tapos
no necessary metal,
na
further function
ikaw
and
na kay
further
Chinese
system
na
are
kuan.
cadmium,
Na kay
chromium,
Chinese na
mercury, lead, and arsenic.
customer.
Okay?
Ay client. Ya di ka
Next.
kasabot sa una ni mo. Ato na ni.
So now every country will be concerned about these matters. Okay? Due to a dramatic increase of anthropogenic contaminant in the ecosystem, they can enter the aquatic environment in waste from air, from water, and also the soil. So pollution of the natural environment by methane is a serious problem because these elements are interchangeable and most of them have toxic effect on living organisms. But when they exceed a
Sir
certain
Oli, Sir Oli.
concentration, like just now, Fernando
Ha?
talked about nutrient.
Sir Oli.
Certain concentration
Mas
of
stable
nutrient is
ito
good
mga
for the phytoplankton.
other Kayak
But
upang.
we have a higher position of the trend, we back at higher growth. Same over
Kung
the
todo imong tinailan, maura man sad.
So
Yeah.
like you will see doctor give you some dose. Okay, this one practice only 2 tablets per day. So you cannot take more. If you take more, then you need to more body system. Okay, next. So some methods are high risk resistant and stop the disease become concentrated well. So you see, when one organ enters the body environment, the first organism it uptake is the plankton. Transfer to two plankton, then transfer to fish, then to bigger fish, and then last to the human. So actually, human is a top predator in every environment, in ocean, river, or in the land.
Sino?
Next.
Sino ba?
So methods they can enter the body through two systems to process. One is bioregulation. Bioregulation means that the methods activate in the body itself, one organism. Okay. So bioregulation means that the methods are purified when they oppose to the higher toxic level. Okay. So for example, there is this figure, the polar bear will have a higher concentration in the northern Antarctica. Because this is top predator in that area. Okay, next. So increase the percent of pollutant and organism, the bioregulation.
Malapit kayo
Bioregulation
ang
increase the
kondo,
percent
ang
of
drawing.
pollutant in the food chain.
Ano?
Organism in the food chain. Next.
Frenzy.
So, right in the second topic,
Mingaw pa ito to.
shellfish organism has been known that they can accumulate everything that passes through them because they are amphibious. So they only filter the water and anything, pollutant, metals, microplastic, oil,
Shellfish?
so many researchers have reported the potential
Shellfish
in
daw.
mollusks, especially basket or oyster species, as a bioindicator or biomarker for monitoring the mental condition of the system. You see, there's a different term, biomarker and also biomarker biomonitoring. The other one is biomonitoring means that you study that area for a period of time, maybe study for one year. So they know that what happened during this season, rainy season, what happened during the rainy season or the dry season, what's the uptake level of the metals. Okay, that's a biomonitoring. Okay, next. Next. So, the humble must act as a vacuum cleaner of the sea.
Lalu,
Making the
may
capacity
kayo na
to stand out of the water. So, if you ask me
Natanda to ba?
and I suggest to think one environment, we say that we can culture oyster, okay, or culture mussel. I'm not sure how much mussel can filter water per hour, but I know oyster, the Castrodermidas, the big one, they can filter about one organism can filter about 40 liters of water per hour. So actually, when they filter a lot of water, actually it's good for them to use as a vacuum cleaner for clean that area. But the problem is, if we have one area we culture, this one clean that area, we are afraid people will take that master fee. So this is quite a challenge. So now what actually I'm thinking, I don't use the graphic gas, I will use the per oyster.
Nag-Chinese
Per
ano
oyster
siya?
because they have no one consume the oyster. So they only want the per. Okay, so per actually is the respond back to the pollutant. This next area is very polluted, actually it's not stable, but if the sun slightly polluted, it's good to then have more water in the body. But this I will use per instead of animal one, because usually people we take meat. Okay, so next. So this is some of our organisms that I've been used for my study.
Hala,
Oyster,
kadami.
turtle, crabs,
Chinese.
and so on. So
Chinese
maybe we have
Chinese.
quite
Chinese
data
cartels.
about this organism, okay, how they can accumulate metals. Next.
Wala ka
So why we
lamig.
study computer in
Ulang.
organism? Because we know that organism and species is said to be consumed by human. Okay? Safety of the seafood is also the major concern to ensure the safety of consumer. Okay? So therefore, when we do the data analysis in organism, they can give us two findings. One, the quality. The second one, the risk to the human, risk to the human. Okay?
Palit ba?
Next.
Tapos katong
So where is the metals come from? As I mentioned, we have two.
wala.
Anthropogenic and also
Wala kayo.
natural. Next.
Papalit ka. Okay na lang ni.
So river flowing to the every important structure is human. When they are important, and cycle. In that, then we go to the past. So when the pass through the river, when the pollutant
The
they affect the
rivers
pollutant.
flowing.
Then when they arrive at the
Ano ni kanta river
then you
flows?
can say estuary. So the pump is stopped or the pollutant will go down. Then the essential. Okay. This one show why the estuary area at a higher altitude compared to the river system. Because of the tidal exchange, the sediment type, and also the current. Okay. Next.
Map na? Hello? Linunggo ka uno na doon naman na sila
Okay,
butang.
so this is a summary of what is the ecosystem. Where is the pollution come from? From the urban runoff, agricultural runoff, from the surface runoff, from the groundwater runoff, okay, for the maricultural activities, then for the shipping, this is some possible source of the agriculture actually. Okay, the contact factor like the agricultural sediment change. So I study my PhD in France, in the Gulf area. In the Gulf area, there's about 3,000 yachts. So first hypothesis I think is actually I say this area is polluted. Okay, when I do my analysis for the organism, also the sediment, I found that that area is slightly polluted, not very high polluted. So when I differ with my hypothesis, I have to look back why it happened. So I found that in my area, affected by tidal exchange. Because in my study area, there's a two-time tidal exchange. In that two-time tidal exchange will diluted or pollutant and bring to the population. And then the second one is tidal current. Because the tidal current is very high, so the pollutant is not have enough time to settle down in the sediment. So they already flush out to the ocean. Okay, next. So by monitor of next.
Look, ano po tayo?
So
Labi.
individual organism respond differently to different sources. Okay?
Hindi niya po kakaon lumay
For
kita kung
example,
kaon na
solution,
sila.
animal or input.
Dili ay high
That's
school
why we have
yan.
to know that
Pero na dyan po
it's
kaon.
important to use the correct organism that can extract
Gusto lang ano.
animal manually from the source. For example, like I want to study water, reduce grass. Okay? Next.
Wala!
So ideally, institution as biomonitors is a academia to be sedentary in that they are not moving so much, only stay in that area. Okay, easy to identify.
Prati oy.
And then they bundle, not census, that's what I because when we do the biomonitoring study, maybe you study for 1 year. Every month you go for one sample. So
The disgusting
important
the
that you ensure
healthier.
that sample is abundant enough
Hindi
for
mo
1
disgusting.
year. Okay, normally, when I study university 1 year, so this original have to be more than 1 year.
Alauna pa man ingon ni Ma'am no? Alauna man ingon ni Ma'am
Sometimes
Bessie.
they study economic season, wedding season, or also there's promotion season. But some organisms during promotion season, there's not that area. Okay. And next. So living organism can transport protein in and out of the body system. So they can keep in the body, they can expand for the body. But now actually the changes now is actually we consider like we consume one ppm, we keep 1 ppm in our body system. Okay? So actually we have to think more that how many exactly the pollutant in our body system. If you ask me how many percent, I can say that maybe only 1% of the pollutant in our body, the rest 99 is expelled from our body. Okay? This is only assumption because we have to do more study test on the mice and so on. So this location can test pollution, can water input and can get to feeding. So different organisms have different types of feeding. So somebody have just the water, the feeders, so on. Okay? Next. So the choice of suitable biomarkers to consider potential source of matters in the biota. Still does not contact this animal, uptake focus of the source body. Meaning that it's a good to study the water quality, not for the sediment quality. Okay? Next. So when we do the data, how we will access the status. Next.
If you was too big, it means
So normally in organism, we have the direct organism, and the organism we compare with the standard value that almost every country we have. So like in Malaysia, we have the standard food regulation, but very old, 1983. So now we are trying to revise it. So then we calculate the normal thing, how much we consume the metals according to our system. So for example, like 1 week we consume 1 kilogram of oyster. So I can calculate how
so
much
namin tole
we
level
consume
X.
metal in our system.
Okay?
Okay? And then on the pollution index, we calculate the pollution status in that area. Okay? Next.
Hala.
So this is a type of organism. Mostly we
Mau
compare
magapag
with
sila.
the maximum permissible
Masakit
level
na.
of country. So normally we compare with Europeans, Australians, China, Hong Kong, Singapore. Actually, this value they are very important because they will use this value to export their product. Because if their product higher than this value, actually we cannot sell outside. Okay? So Malaysia one actually is one that is quite old. Now we are very compressed. Okay, next. So this is how we calculate pollution index. Because this one we calculate the total metals that study. You know to know that is it any pollution of the metals that we study in that area using the pollution index. Normally in class activity we say that there are no monitoring needed. But if there are more activity, we have to monitor that area accordingly. Okay? It's very easy from divide possession with our sample and divide with your value. Next. So this is economic thing, so we calculate the consider to weekly also the daily thing. How much you update the metals daily or weekly. Okay. So this is a standard value. Normally the body weight we are using is 65 kilogram. So in Malaysia, average is 65 kilogram. So we use 65 kilogram to calculate.
Di ba ang CNC?
Okay.
Ayun si
From this
Ziggy.
data, actually, we can
Alawa
also
si Kuan,
predict
si Master
how
Bean.
many oyster
Master
we do
Bean.
in the because when we do the methods using the in-photo,
Naano
photo
to?
in the soft function. And after that, we
Ang
calculate the methods,
CN
we
ba?
will
Zig
divide
ba?
with the share weight. So we
Zig.
can calculate how many individual
Ayun
unit
wala sila.
for 1 week. Okay, next.
Oh.
So I show this photo because I think you watch this movie Holiday. So they eat the oyster for the soft tissue.
Lain man gid sa kanang kuan kay
So we have to address the soft tissue on.
Rose
Because
line
I
na
think when
balot.
you eat the oyster, are you suspecting the kidneys, the stomach, the liver? No, right? So you eat everything.
Oh,
So if I only focus on the muscles,
ay
so
muscles.
the data is not correct
Muscle.
because we know that metal will be higher in the liver. Then we will liver. So I will discuss the liver sample with that the data is correct. So to me that I have to put in photo all the
Ano man?
things.
Daw.
Okay, next. So why is it effect to human
See the
health?
right.
Next. So this is how a simple way the pollutant can be thrown to the ocean, the river, and uptake by human. Okay, when we throw to the river, so then uptake by the plankton, and to the fish to the human. This very simple way that how we now take back the pollutant can be thrown. Same goes to plastic. Next.
Hello,
So instead of
happy
having
feet.
low level plasticity as a so they also have the factors content in their sediment in the ocean. Okay? So even in the Antarctica area, they also found a lot of types of pollutant. For example, like microplastic, metals, hydrocarbon, pharmaceutical waste. Because why? Because when that pollutant enter the ocean, the same ocean there's no boundary. So they will follow the current to everywhere. Okay. So previously someone asked me, you know that last year or this year, I think last year, Japanese released the waste from Fukushima. Okay, they released the waste. So they asked me, we the pollutant have to submerge into population water. I say yes, but maybe take time, maybe 5 years, 6 years, we don't know. Okay. But why they consider as a wastewater? They release the wastewater, not release the clean water. Wastewater, because there's some element inside that water they cannot be clean. Okay. Even use the chemical, they cannot be clean. If you use a lot of chemical, they will give impact to the water surrounding. Okay. So maybe 5 or 6 years, you know, we arrive in our area. Okay. Next. So that's why I mentioned biodiesel in a way is being pollutant can harm environment. The internal accumulation of pollutant and very difficult to mitigate or extract from the body once it enters our body. Next. So every organism including pollutant during its lifetime can be eaten. The pollutant are transferred to the breather. Same like us. From baby to adult, we already consume pollutant by food, by air. Okay? But if you are not by eaten by others, not definitely. So hence, vibration is a specific target in the top region of the food chain. Okay, like in the ocean, in the wave. Okay, in the river, we have the crocodile. Next, but human, we are populated with all the environment, the ocean, the river, the land, air, so on. Because we consume everything.